Hi and welcome to this video on how to EQ a kick drum to make it sound better. As we all know, the kick drum is the heartbeat of any track, and getting it to sound just right is crucial for a good mix. I'm going to walk you through the process of EQing a kick drum step by step. Before we start, it's important to listen to the kick drum in the context of the drum mix. This way, we can identify any issues or problem areas that need addressing. So let's play the track and listen to the kick drum. Okay, now that we've heard the kick drum in the mix, let's start EQing. The first thing we want to do is cut out any unnecessary frequencies that are getting in the way of the kick drum's fundamental tone. These usually sit between 200 and 400 Hz. By cutting out the unnecessary frequencies, we're making space for the kick drum to breathe and allowing its fundamental tone to shine through. This will give it more clarity and definition in the mix. Now, let's move on to boosting the frequencies that give the kick drum its punch and attack. For most kick drums, this is around 80 to 120 Hz. By boosting the punch and attack frequencies, we're giving the kick drum more power and impact. This will make it stand out more in the mix and give the track a solid foundation to build on. However, it's important not to go overboard with the boosting. Too much boost can lead to distortion and muddiness in the mix. Use your ears and be judicious in your adjustments. Next up, let's add some point to the kick drum. This is usually around 3 to 5 kHz. By adding some point, we're giving the kick drum some brightness and sparkle. This will help it cut through the mix and give it more definition and presence. Again, be careful not to go overboard with the boost. Too much top end can make the kick drum sound harsh and unpleasant. Now that we've made our EQ adjustments, let's listen to the kick drum in the context of the mix again. As you can hear, the kick drum now sounds much better in the mix. It's got more clarity, power, and presence, and it's sitting well with the other elements of the track. Remember to use your ears, be judicious with your adjustments, and always listen to the kick drum in the context of the mix. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.